नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है? अरे if anyone is watching, just type something in chat, say hi, hello, anything. Let me see if I'm audible. Please confirm in the chat if I'm audible. Type yes if I'm audible and visible to you. Please confirm in the chat. Yes, audible. Yes, hi, Varad, Asmoon, Mola. Thank you so much, everyone, for the confirmation. This live session is Q&A session where you can ask some question, I can ask you some question, and my questions will be not only the technical questions. I can ask you for the feedback as well, right? I have uploaded more than 5 videos in FortiGate playlist, right? So now I want feedback from you guys. If you are learning, if you are watching the FortiGate firewall, many of you were facing issue in the FortiGate firewall installation in EVNG. So I had shared my drive link to download the FortiGate firewall, the stable version of FortiGate firewall, and now hope you all are able to set up it properly in your EVNG. So we'll start the session from this question only. How many of you are watching FortiGate firewall series? Just type F in the chat if you are watching the FortiGate firewall series. Let me see. If you are watching FortiGate firewall series, type F in the chat. Let me see if anyone is watching FortiGate firewall videos every day. Soon I am going to upload all the videos of FortiGate firewall, right? Almost 15 videos are already uploaded on the channel, but those are not available publicly now, right? We are publishing video one by one. Okay, so is there anyone who is watching FortiGate firewall? Type no, type N in the chat if you are not watching the FortiGate firewall series, because 9 people are still watching. If you are watching FortiGate firewall series, type F. If you are not watching FortiGate firewall, type N. So I think subscribers or followers have not joined the live session till now. We'll wait for some time otherwise if we'll not get any message. So one comment is there from Akash. No. Okay, you are not watching the FortiGate firewall. Fine. No sir, no sir. Good evening sir. Sandeep. Sandeep, you are member, right? Of PM Blogging YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And a student of SD-WAN. We have session just after 1 hour and 10 minutes. यहाँ का चैट क्यों नहीं अपडेट हो रहा है? Yes, okay Sandeep, great. Okay guys, so if anyone is watching FortiGate firewall, please share your feedback in the comment section of FortiGate firewall, right? It will help me to make more videos. And 10 people are watching, only 1 like is there, so requesting everyone to like the video once, like the video. And my second question is, see, yesterday I had uploaded one video where I had asked you one question from the switching, but question was very simple. It was CCNA levels question, but most of the people are saying wrong answer. But I'm very happy to see one correct answer, right answer. Today evening I got that answer from one of my subscriber. and his answer is absolutely correct, right? The question was from the switching module. Three switches was there, and SVI for VLAN 10 was on switch 2, SVI for VLAN 20 on switch 2, SVI for VLAN 30 was on switch number 3, and link between switches was configured as trunk. Routing was enabled. Many people were saying we should enable routing. IP routing command is required, but routing was already enabled. Some people were saying link should be configured as trunk, so link was already configured as trunk, but VLAN 10, 20 and 30 was not able to communicate with each other, right? So the scenario based question video was just to test your networking knowledge, where you are standing right now in the networking industry, just to test your knowledge. So if you have watched the video and if you have not shared your answer, in the comment section, then guys, this is the reason why I'm live here. I wanted to ask you to share your answer in the comment section of that video. Doesn't matter your answer is right or wrong, but I want you to participate. Just share your answer. No problem if you are wrong. Soon I am going to make one detailed video on that particular scenario where I will explaining everything step by step. But first I wanted to know you guys, right? I want to just know my subscribers, my students, my followers. Even the one guy who had shared the correct answer was my CCNA and CCNP student. He had completed CCNA and CCNP training from PM Networking in 2022. His answer was absolutely right. But apart from that answer, that comment, there was 10 more comments. More than 10 comments were there. But those all answers was incorrect. Even if you want to share your answer, you can share your answer here in the chat as well. In the comment section, you can share your answer. Why VLAN 10, 20 and 30 are not able to communicate with each other. If you are one among the students who have shared the answer in the comment section of that video and your answer is maybe trunk link, right? We need to configure the link as trunk. So link is already configured as trunk. Routing is already enabled, and SVIs are created on different switches, right? To make this scenario setup more simple, you can assume only two switches. On switch 1, I have SVI for VLAN 10. On switch number 2, I have SVI for VLAN 20. Here on switch number 1, I have one user in VLAN 10. On switch number 2, I have one user in VLAN 20. Why they are not able to communicate? If routing is enabled, IP routing command is running, and link between switches is already configured as trunk, then why these two different VLAN users are not able to communicate? A day not extending networking is a day wasted. Amit Kumar, correct. So definitely in the technology, see, if you are in the tech industry, every time you have to learn, you have to keep updating your technical skills. Sometimes people are asking about the career path. Praphul, I am system engineer, I am network engineer, I am NOC engineer. I know the basic networking. From where, Praphul, I should start? Right? So definitely you can ask from the start, like from where I should start. But sometimes we are getting query that which course will be the best course for me. So brother, there is no any limitation of ending, right? We are starting from the CCNA. Start from CCNA, then go for CCNP, then go for firewall, then go for SD-WAN, then go for virtualization, go for wireless, go for cloud, and so on. At least at this moment of time in 2025, if you are working as a network engineer in the industry, and you are thinking my skill is basic, right? In the interview, I am not confident. Then you should have proper planning of your study for next 2 years. In next 2 years, you need to learn multiple courses. First 3 to 4 months CCNA, CCNP, then 2 months SD-WAN, then 2 months any one next generation firewall, then again 2 months for Now virtualization, again 2 months for wireless, again 2 months for cloud, again 2 month for other technology. So in the tech industry, you have to be always keep updating yourself. As soon as you will stop learning, your career will stop, right? You will stuck at particular position. Let's suppose if someone have excellent level of knowledge in CCNA and CCNP, they have mastery, they know everything about NAMP, whatever means about the enterprise network, but they have not updated their skill from last 5 years or 10 years. So sir, now they cannot take their professional career further, cannot move their professional career further from there. They will stuck at that position. They can get job in different company. They can get hike as well in their salary. But I'm talking about exponential growth. Sir, just in 10 years, I reached to 1 CR per annum package because of my learning, because I'm keep updating myself. Even if I will show you here, you can see books. I'm still learning, right? The top book is CCIE book, CCIE security book. So even when my package is 1 CR per annum, at that time also I am updating myself, I am learning new things, because I know I am working in tech industry. If I will stop learning, my career will stop. I can't stop learning, right? And it is applicable on everyone, on you also. You cannot stop your learning. What is correct answer? So again, sir, correct answer of that particular scenario is not in words or not in sentence. Not in what? Not in sentence. One is saying, who have removed his comment, I don't know. But what he was saying that, sir, if discount is available, then I will enroll in CCNA plus CCNP course. Guys, I want to tell you something very important. If you are thinking by enrolling in any course at PM Networking, you are helping Praphul Mishra or you are helping PM Networking to grow, then sir, don't enroll in any course at PM Networking. PM Networking courses are not for you. It's not for you. If you are enrolling in any course at PM Networking, it doesn't mean you are helping me, you are helping Praphul Mishra or helping PM Networking. You are helping yourself. Whoever have completed training from us are changing their life. They are recommending others. They are suggesting others to learn from PM Networking, and from there only we are getting most of the students. Sometimes we are getting students from our YouTube channel who are our regular subscribers, who are watching our videos every day and trying to improve their skill. And at particular time when they need organized content, mentor, guide, right, live classes, support in the lab, study materials, at that time they are enrolling in the course. But if you are thinking, Praphul, I will enroll if you will give me the discount, then sir, why I will first of all push you to enroll? Or how your enrollment will help me to grow my career? The course is designed to learn and master the technologies. If you are going to learn it, it will be helpful for you. And about the discount, sometimes we are providing courses at free of cost as well. Yes, at fully free of cost. When we feel someone cannot afford the fee, someone is financially weak, very weak, they cannot afford our course fee, but he is serious, he is dedicated to learn the technology. At that time, we are providing our course live classes at lowest price, sometimes at free of cost as well. Reason, my end goal is to help people to build a strong community of network engineers and in future grow together. Do you think we'll change the time of batch for you, or I will change the language for you? Like as you are enrolling in the CCNA plus CCNP course, I will start teaching in Hindi. If you are thinking, sir and madam, then I'm so sorry, it is not possible. I will be teaching in English only, because sometimes we are receiving these kinds of query that if you are going to teach in Hindi, I will enroll in the course. If you are going to change the timing, I will enroll in the course. I am also working professional. My main job is to work in the industry only. My training is my part-time job. Even today I am a founder of private limited company. But still that is my side-by-side job. That is not my primary job. First I am a network engineer. That is my profession. Then I am a trainer by my passion. That is my passion. I don't have time in the morning. If you want to learn, master, participate in the CCNA plus CCNP combo live course, you have to manage time, sir. You have to manage the language, sir. Your question should be not like this, that if you are going to give me the discount, then I will enroll. Right? Even after enrollment, this training program cannot be much beneficial for you, because your way of looking towards this training is different. What I tell you, this training program is helpful or can help to grow professional career exponentially to those who are very dedicated, very serious, who can sit for 2 hours every day with me, who can perform all the labs, who are curious to understand the BGP protocol, OSPF protocol, VLAN protocol, to understand the technologies which they are using in the production. Course is beneficial only for those types of people. In many live sessions, in many YouTube videos, I told you that 99%, not 99, sorry. I told you that 90% of students are getting exponential benefit in their career after completion of my course. Why I didn't talk about rest 10% in any video? I never talked about rest 10%. What? 1 minute. I never talked about that 10%. You know why? Those 10% have just paid the money, right? They are very strong financially. 25,000 is nothing for them. So they paid, they enrolled, but they didn't complete the course. They didn't join the live classes. They didn't perform the labs. This is the reason why the training was not beneficial for them, for 10%. 1 minute, guys. Tell me very fast. Come on. Humble one. सर लेके चला जाएगा, दे देगा वो आपको, मैं बोल दिया हूँ, दे देगा, मैं लाइव होता हूँ यूट्यूब पे. Okay, so the 10% have just paid the money, have paid the fee, they have enrolled, but they didn't complete the course. So this is the reason why he is not getting benefit. Malaka Thana, hi sir, can you provide us the lab image? Check my EVNG video. See, on the YouTube, everything is available on my channel. How to set up EVNG, how to install the router images, how to install the switch image, how to install the firewall. Whenever I am creating any playlist, guys, for an example, before creating FortiGate firewall playlist, I made one video to set up FortiGate firewall in EVNG. And if you are the student of PM networking, maybe follower, subscribers, viewer, that means I'm assuming you all have the EVNG set up in your laptop. Maybe on your laptop, or maybe you have set up on the cloud, right? But I'm assuming you have the EVNG. Before starting the Palo Alto firewall series, also I had made one video to set up the Palo Alto firewall in the EVNG. Before making CCNP video, I had made one video to set up EVNG environment, right? Which routers is required, which type of switches are required. So if you need image or the guidance, you can watch my EVNG video. Even in 2025, I have uploaded one video to set up the EVNG, and lakhs of people have set up EVNG by watching that video only. Lakhs of people globally have set up EVNG. Earlier they was facing issue in the EVNG setup, and now today they have EVNG. Because if you are going to check my latest EVNG video, you will find direct my VM, my virtual machine. Just you need to import that in your EVNG, and you will have routers, switches, and FortiGate firewall. Right? You don't need to upload routers manually. Images are already imported there. That is my EVNG which I am using to teach people. So you can use that. If you want to learn, you can check my EVNG video. Okay, sir? Hope it is clear. After this live session, you can search in YouTube EVNG setup PM networking. You will find that video through which you can set up EVNG. And if you are watching the FortiGate firewall series, make sure you have installed the FortiGate firewall as well, right? For the FortiGate firewall, first I had made one video to set up the latest version of FortiGate firewall in EVNG, but many people was facing issue. So I had created another video, the second video. Again, both video is available in FortiGate playlist only. Both videos are available in FortiGate playlist only. In the second video, I had shared the stable version of FortiGate firewall. Again, my drive link from where you can download the stable version of FortiGate firewall, and you can set up it in your EVNG. Right? So I was on the course. Okay, so if you are among the people who are thinking that, see, if Praphul is going to change the language, then I will enroll, or if Praphul is going to give the discount, then I will enroll. Then, sir, I'm so sorry to say that this training program is not for me. Even I had posted this on Facebook as well, because we were getting lots of messages like this. Sometimes competitors are also sending message to us, and sometimes students are also sending who don't know about us, who don't know anything about PM networking. Let's say suppose someone have just found PM networking today, so they don't know that Praphul is very active on social media, he is coming live. Yeah, he has fear that what if someone is going to cheat. So asking question is absolutely fine, but if you are the student follower of PM networking, then you are asking this kind of question that if you will give me the discount, then only I will enroll. Then, sir, don't enroll. Even if your way of looking towards this training is different, if you are not only looking to improve your technical skill, to take your networking skill to the next level, then this training program is not for you. In each and every batches, I found more than 99% students are working professional or network engineers, are just struggling to grow their career in the industry, and this is the reason why they are enrolling in the course at PM networking. In the SD-WAN, only 1% students are coming from the YouTube or from the other platforms. Otherwise, 99% students in our SD-WAN are those who have completed NA and NP earlier from us. And this is the reason why they are able to learn SD-WAN technology very easily, because they had taken NA and NP training from me only. But for me, guys, it's very difficult to teach that 1% student who have not completed CCNA, CCNP from us and just have enrolled in the SD-WAN course. It's very difficult, because many times I have seen when I am implementing the BGP protocol in SD-WAN, they don't know the BGP loop avoidance mechanism. They don't know. That means they have not learned NA and NP properly first. Directly they have started learning SD-WAN. And if you are doing this, just stop it today itself. This way, you cannot learn the multiple technologies. And what I told you, in this industry, in tech industry, you have to keep updating your skill. Once you will stop learning, your career will stuck. So never stop learning. Keep learning new things. And for me, my all students are same. If there is any discount, then it is for everyone in the courses. If there is no discount, that means no discount for everyone. Doesn't matter you are going to enroll or you are not going to enroll. Batch will start 110% on the same date. Even if there will be one student, then also I will start the batch. But if there is no discount, no one is going to give you the discounts at PM Networking here. I'm very strict on these all things. Right? Okay, now let's come to the scenario. 3 switches, SVI on switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, VLAN 10, 20, 30, but users are not able to communicate. By the way, just I am going to share answer in short, and I will make one detailed video on it later if you guys will request for that, because I have seen many comment, many answers are incorrect. So reason is, you know what, on switch number 1, if you are going to check the routing table, you will find only one subnet 4 as VLAN 10, right? Subnet of SVI interface for VLAN 10 will be there in the routing table of router, switch 1, distribution switch 1 or multi-layer switch 1. And when VLAN 10 user is going to ping VLAN 20 user source IP, let's say 10.1, destination IP 20.1, it will forward to their gateway to switch number 1. Switch 1 is the gateway for VLAN 10, switch 2 is the gateway for VLAN 20. Switch 1 need to perform routing. It will check destination IP is 20.1. It will compare destination IP with routing table, so IP.20.1.1.1, and switch 1 will not find route. Route is not there for destination network. This is the reason why VLAN 10 and 20 user can not communicate with each other. To make communication possible, what you have to do, you have to exchange the route. Switch 1 has VLAN 10 subnet, switch 2 has VLAN 20 subnet. For inter VLAN routing, one should have subnet of VLAN 10 and 20 in their routing table. Similarly, switch 2 should also have VLAN 10 and 20 subnet in their routing table. Then only they will communicate. And for that, again you have to create one SVI here, one SVI here. Let's say SVI for VLAN 100, SVI for VLAN 100. IP address on SVI 100 on VLAN switch 1 and on switch number 2. They will communicate. Then you can configure any routing, either dynamic routing protocol or static routing. Then only 10 and 20 are going to communicate with each other. If you are lacking in this switching concept, the basic, this scenario is from the CCNA. This is CCNA level scenario. If you don't know the core technology, the technology behind scene, then sir, it's time to learn the technology, right? Don't go for the answer of this specific scenario. Learn SVI properly. Learn routing properly on multi-layer switch or between multi-layer switch. And where you can learn it? In the CCNA and CCNP only. Everything is available on the internet. It is not like you need to buy the course, then only you can learn it. Everything is available on YouTube at free of cost. If you are enrolling in the paid course, there is only one difference, guys. Why people will choose paid course if everything is available on PM Networking YouTube channel as well? Just to save your time, that's it, nothing else. There is no second reason. To save your time on the YouTube, contents are not organized. You have to organize it, right? Then you will start learning, watching videos. To get the mentor, a proper guidance, a study material, lab support, like there should be someone who will be available for me 24/7 while doing the lab, that if I will stuck somewhere, they can take me further. This is the reason why people are buying the live course, the paid course. If learning CCNA plus CCNP on YouTube will take 1 year, then paid classes, paid course, live course can take 3 months. So you can save your 7 months here. because you are under guidance, everything is organized, structured, and you are meeting live. You can ask your doubt, these all things. But whenever you have doubt, again you can search video for that topic. You can watch the video, you can clear your doubt. It will be lengthy process, time consuming process. That's why people prefer live classes instead of watching YouTube video. It was in my mind to introduce it submit, but I didn't post it. So sir, why you didn't post it, Yusuf? Now you can share the proper answer at least, Yusuf. Now I have explained it. Now you can try to share the proper answer, that what can be the solution. And this is one solution. We can have another solution as well, like I can configure link between switches as layer 3 link. I can make routed port. If this is a trunk link between switches, that means layer 2 port. I can configure layer 3 port as well, and then I can perform routing. So I have shared 2 ways to make communication here. Now you can share the third method, third ways to do this, right? Okay, Yusuf. And guys, I am not able to answer to all the question in the comment section, right? But we are recording the comments, and sometimes we are answering to your questions through videos or sometimes through live session. So don't worry if I have not answered to your question, definitely I will share the answer. Now if anyone have any question, please ask. I am here for next 5 more minutes. If anyone have any question, you can ask in the chat. Okay. And so I was asking about the FortiGate firewall, but no one have joined here. Whoever are watching the FortiGate firewall playlist, no problem. People are sharing the feedback in the comment section, and I think the course FortiGate course playlist is helping people like you to learn the firewall, next generation firewall. And guys, if you have not liked the video till now, then please hit on like button once. Please like the video. This is a request, humble request to you. Please like the video once. If anyone have question, please ask in the comment section. Hello sir, if I do one lab practice each day, it will good, or I should do weekend lab? Yeah, one lab every day is sufficient, right? And you should configure one lab if you are in learning phase. While learning CCNA and CCNP, one lab every day. In the SD-WAN, you can do weekly, no problem. I am following FortiGate firewall course. I have shared my question as well. Great, Yusuf. Thank you so much for sharing your question and how the course is going on. I think 7-8 videos are already uploaded. Do you have any suggestion, any feedback? Sir, your videos are very helpful. Amit, thank you so much for sharing your feedback here in the live session, right? Keep supporting, keep sharing your feedback. Really, it motivates me to work hard to make more videos. And in future, definitely I will be making videos on various technologies like the virtualization. I will create one playlist for Cisco ICE. Till now, 3 playlists are there on channel. The complete course playlist, MPLS and FortiGate and Palo. FortiGate is not complete, but the series is going on. Palo Alto is completed, and the FortiGate will be also complete. For CCNA and NP, we don't have any complete playlist on the YouTube. You will not find that. Even CCNA and CCNP playlist will not work, guys. CCNA and CCNP course is very lengthy. Here we need to connect with each other to learn it, to master it, right? That's why the complete course is not available on YouTube, right? You need live training for that. Should a network engineer learn Linux? Yes, if a network engineer is going to learn the Linux, it will be beneficial, right? Linux is the operating system, and in today's time, our all modern networking operating systems are coming in Linux, right? like SD-WAN. SD-WAN softwares are Linux based operating system, right? The core operating system is Linux only. So definitely it will help you a lot. And in future, every network engineer have to learn Linux. Every network engineer have to learn Linux as well. I completed my CCNA and learning CCNP routing now. Great, Gopal. You are already doing great. Very helpful, sir. Thank you so much, Yusuf. And I think you had uploaded, you had asked for date 10 videos on earliest. I think someone else or you, because I had seen that comment on FortiGate Firewall video that please upload date 10 video on earliest, and I am planning to upload that till next weekend. Till next weekend I will upload it. Guys, if anyone have not liked the video till now, please like the video. 13 likes are there, 24 people are watching, right? So if you are learning at PM networking, please like the video once. Sir, if possible, make a video on microtech. Brother, I don't have experience on microtech. I cannot make video on that. Later I will try after the FortiGate firewall, right? I will try to install the devices in EVNG. If it will work, then I will make some videos. Can you make a playlist of all your firewall videos? Yeah, playlist. Palo Alto playlist is there, ASA playlist is there, and FortiGate playlist is there. We are already doing this, Gopal. I am 30 years old, 9 years gap. Should I do networking course right now? It's up to you, sir. If you have interest in the networking, then definitely you should do it. You should learn it, right? The most important thing is interest. Just go with some basic practical topics like your home network, which is completely practical. Just try to understand the setup of home network. If you have, then you can decide that whether I am interested in networking or not. If you are interested, then you should start learning. Just start learning from CCNA, and within 1 year you can learn the multiple technologies, CCNA, NP, firewall, and any one SDN based solution, and then you can go for job. Sometimes people are saying I am CCNA but not getting job in the industry. Networking industry is dying, right? I have good knowledge of CCNA. So guys, if you are expecting job after CCNA, then definitely it will help. It will hurt you a lot, right? Don't expect job after CCNA. There is no one, no any company in the world who is providing job based on CCNA knowledge. No one. CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN, and one next generation firewall. At least these 4 courses. You should have knowledge of these 4 courses. Then only you can expect job. If you are expecting job after just CCNA, it will be hurting you in future as well. Sir, as I watched something where pre-configured like John in FortiGate course, if possible, kindly make a video to explain each section. Then you will be able. Again, Yusuf, you need to learn CCNA and CCNP, right? That is not the part of FortiGate. That is basic networking, the John based concept. If anyone is going to start learning FortiGate firewall directly, guys, without CCNA and CCNP, it will not help you. It can teach you the configuration of FortiGate firewall. You can configure it, but you will not understand the technology, and you cannot manage the FortiGate firewall in the production effectively. CCNA and NP is the mandatory, right? You should not start from the firewall directly or SD-WAN directly. First, you should have mastery in NA and NP, and after that you should learn FortiGate firewall or Palo Alto firewall or SD-WAN or any other course. If you have the knowledge of Linux operating system, then it can help you as a network engineer to grow your career, right? If I will take example of 2 engineers, engineer A, engineer B. Engineer A has knowledge of Linux, CCNA, CCNP, and engineer B have knowledge of CCNA, CCNP only, don't have knowledge of Linux, right? So if person A, engineer A will grow faster than engineer B. Engineer B will also grow, but person A, engineer A will be ahead than person B. So Linux will work as a helping tool for you. For network engineer, it is going to work as a helping tool. Helping tool. Sir, I have confused. Sir, I have. Sir, what is the courses that need to work in the network field? In today's time, sir, if I will talk about the courses to become an expert network engineer, if you want to be always in demand in the networking industry, then 4 courses are there, right? CCNA and NP is the mandatory for every network engineer. You can't skip it. First master these 2 courses and then go for any one next generation firewall. It can be FortiGate firewall, it can be Palo Alto firewall, it can be Checkpoint firewall, any one next generation firewall, and any one SDN based solution. It can be SD-WAN, it can be SDXS or ACI. These 4 courses are required to be in demand in the networking industry in today's time. Okay, even if you are the working professional, if you are already working network engineer, but you are lacking in the NANP or the firewall or the SDN based solution, you need to learn again. Maybe you have learned NANP a few years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. That not matters. What matters? What you know today. What you know today. Based on today's CCNA and CCNP syllabus, each and every topic are clear to you or not. If it is clear, you don't need to learn NANP. If it is not clear, even a single topic is not clear to you, then learn it. First learn it and then again check the syllabus. Now this time all topics are clear or not. Like this. If all are clear, means you don't need to learn NANP. If any topic, any word is even not clear to you, you should learn CCNA and NP again. Repeat it again and again until and unless every topic is not clear to you. That is mandatory part. You cannot skip. If you will skip, I'm not saying you cannot work or you cannot find the job in the industry. You can work, you can find the even job, but you will be not in top demanding always, right? If my company is going to fire me today, no problem. Tomorrow I can find job in other company at the same package, even at more package. It is like this. From tomorrow I can start working in another company. Similar MNCs, in the top MNCs. Worldwide I can start working anywhere. If I want to work in, let's say, London or Canada, there also I can find job. These all certifications are recognized globally, right? CCNA and P are the most respected IT certification, right? If you will ask me, Praphul, which certificates are most respected in the IT, then sir, CCNA and NP only, right? So you should not skip it. Maybe you need to learn multiple times, 2 times, 3 times, learn it. And once all the topics are clear to you from CCNA and CCNP, trust me, after that learning any technologies, whether it is cloud, virtualization, SDN, next generation firewall, will be very easy for you. Even you can learn it by yourself. But if you are learning the firewall directly by skipping even some part of NANP, is not possible, right? It's like you will always have the confusion. Why this is happening, that is happening, right? You will always have confusion in the advanced technologies. So that's why mastering NA and NP is the mandatory, important, most important part, right? Even by skipping CCNA MP also you can learn firewall, no problem. Yes, some people have learned, even they are working. But what I told you, difference is in term of exponential growth in the professional career. As a network engineer, some are earning more than crores per annum, but some are working at 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs per annum. So here is the difference. Right? Job role is same, network engineer only. Network engineer working at 3 lakhs. Network engineer working at 2 CR, 2 crores per annum. See the difference? Remarkable difference is there, right? It is like that. And this is happening just because of the basic foundation, fundamentals. If you are going to spend your 20 to 30 years in this industry, it is very important for you to master the foundation, right? Build a strong foundation so that no one can break it. And NANP is the foundation only. Okay? So just don't skip it. Yes, Linux knowledge will act as a helping tool. Sir, what is the course I need to learn? Okay, so I already told you which course you need to learn. I have enrolled offline in coaching with some modules, but I watched your videos also that are very helpful. Thank you, Gopal. Sir, I have configured the earphone or the read message. I didn't get you. Asuf. And guys, FortiGate firewall course videos will be not available for public, right? Publicly it will be not available, because as soon as I'm going to upload more than 10 videos, I know some people will download all the videos, even competitor, and they can start selling recording course. So as soon as I will upload 10 videos, 10 or 15 videos will be for members only. Okay, so try to understand my situation as well. I cannot upload everything publicly. Many times I have found my CCNA course on Udemy and on other websites, some public websites. Many times my old videos are even there, right? All videos are from YouTube. So I will not upload all the video of FortiGate firewall publicly. After 10 or 15 videos will be for members. Hello sir, I have 12 years of experience in the networking. What are the and how to switch? I can't answer basic CCNA NP question in interview, but can improve and switch my network R&D automation side. Yes brother, if you are not able to answer, just learn it again. Some people are not learning CCNA. Why? You know why? Many times I have seen this. People are saying, sir, I am already done with CCNA in 2010, and till then, from last 15 years, I am working in the industry. Should I need to learn NA again? I am not able to answer to any basic questions, but I had completed a CCNA. So definitely 110%, right? 10 years before CCNA was different. Today CCNA is different, right? So check the modern syllabus, today's syllabus. Based on that, if topics are clear to you, it means you don't need to learn. If not clear to you, it means you need to learn. So one last question, I can't receive logs from my end users and only receive log from the connected core router in the FortiGate. So I will cover this topic, right? I have seen your message, your comment on the video. So this month I have planned to get my CCNA certificate. Great. See, CCNA certificate is not mandatory, like certification is not mandatory, right? Even you can go for directly CCIE certificate. That will be better. Okay. But in some company, while getting job, interviewer can ask you for the certificate. In some company, that is the criteria of company, that I will only hire the CCNA certified engineers. So in that case, it is required. But generally, it is not required. Your knowledge is required, excellent level of knowledge. not certificate. Yeah, CCNP certificate can be worth, brother. Can be worth. Training is sufficient. Yes. Training just master the technology, and while getting job or changing job or working in the company, check if your company is asking for the certificate, then only you should go for certificate. You should not collect that certificate like a trophy, right? I've seen many people are collecting certificates like a trophy. So CCNA and CCNP certificate, these are not trophy, trust me, right? For some people it is just a paper, didn't help anywhere in the career, the certificate, CCNA certificate or CCNP certificate. So it can be a paper for you as well, right? So try to understand really it's required for you, it's needed for you. If there's someone who is asking you for the certificate, then only go for certificate. If there is no one who is asking for the certificate, then there is no logic of investing money and time to gather the certificate. And or maybe if you have dream to put the certificate on the wall, right, like a trophy, then also you can go with this CCNA certificate. Otherwise, CCNA and CCNP training is the most important. The technology is the most important because it is foundation. Maybe someone have dream to work as a virtualization engineer, cloud engineer, and they are learning CCNA and CCNP just for foundation, right, to polish the foundation so that they can understand the virtualization technology very easily. So they don't take certificate, they will not go for certificate. Even the training completion certificate is not required, but you will always get training completion certificate, like all institutes are providing training completion certificate. Even that is sufficient. That is the proof that you have done with CCNA and CCNP course. Senior position, but everyone, not senior position, needs CCNP. Everyone who want to enter in the networking industry or have entered in the networking industry need CCNP knowledge, should have the expert level of CCNP knowledge, mastery, right? Now guys, 18 people are watching, 15 likes are there. If you have not liked the video till now, please like the video once. Requesting to everyone, please hit on like button, and I will meet you again. That's all for today. Okay, thank you so much everybody. Thank you for joining, sharing your question, liking the video, for your support. Thank you everyone for members, to becoming the part of PM Networking family, to subscribing the channel, to being a part of my journey. Thank you everyone. We'll meet again. Bye bye. See you.